So, just because I don't reply to your message or somebody doesn't reply to your message doesn't mean that they don't like you. Are you a dickhead? Don't be. Guys, in this series I'm going to be talking about some things which drive me insane. Life is short, do not be a dickhead. I'm going to talk through exactly what you need to avoid in order to speed up your result, as you don't want to be a dickhead. This is one I get a lot. So, just because I don't reply to your message or somebody doesn't reply to your message doesn't mean that they don't like you. The amount of people that say, Stephen, you didn't reply to me, Stephen, you didn't answer my message, or even worse, they go say to somebody else, oh, he's arrogant, or he can't like me because he ignores me. Just because I don't answer every message doesn't mean I don't like you. It doesn't mean somebody else doesn't like you just because they didn't answer you. Don't be a dickhead. Guys, you do not want to be a dickhead.